Our journey to build homes where your family can thrive is making rapid progress. Savyavasa is now 30% closer to completion. Tower 1, Level 22, Tower 2, Level 26, and Tower 3, Level 28 are now in progress, passing the mid-tower milestone. Our crew is perfecting spaces for you to live and cherish each moment. Finishing touches are underway for partition wall, ceiling, and flooring. Live in 2-bed, 3-bed, and 4-bed apartments. Enjoy spacious balconies on each floor. Soak in the view of Jakarta's evolving cityscape. From homes that embody the vision of a finer tomorrow. Homes your family will cherish for generations, coming to you in 2024. Construction led by Taisei-CSC. Visit our show gallery